Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Lily.
And my name is Alex.
Panthers, this is your weekly reminder to bring your IDs.
But don't just bring your ID. You are required to wear your ID at all times. If you do not have your ID, you will get a lunch detention. And if it continues, this will result in a 2-hour detention.
Also, Heritage bathrooms will now be closed at 3:25 every day. If you need to use the restroom in case of emergency, you can find a staff member in the courtyard for assistance.
Yesterday, BSU went on a field trip to Harry T. and Harriet V. Moore Museum. On this trip, students learned about the civil rights movement in Florida and the legacy of Harry T. and Harriet V. Moore.
We hope everyone who attended enjoyed this important trip.
Students, this month is Black History Month, and you know what that means, Panthers. Heritage Black History Month Fashion Show.
Yay! And Heritage is looking for models. Sign up with the QR code on the screen now. For more information about this special event, see Miss Collins in room 404.
Directly from everyone here at WPNN and Heritage High School, we would like to congratulate everyone who earned their SCTE industry certification.
To the following people on the screen now, congrats to everyone who passed this exam and got their official certification.
Reminder, the deadline to register for March 8th SAT is today. See Miss Jameer for any help with signing up or even fee waivers.
If you are a junior, you all will be taking the SAT on May 5th at Heritage.
For those who don't know, the Florida Music Performance Assessment, also known as MPA, is a yearly evaluation event for secondary music programs such as marching bands, concert, ensembles, and solo performances. MPAs is where these programs are judged based on a specific criteria.
Wait, why are you telling them this?
Because for next week, on Tuesday and Wednesday, the Media Center will be closed, and that means no bathrooms are available in the Media Center as always, and no lunch in the Media Center.
Oh, okay, I get it now. Thanks at least.
No problem. Now, for any of you wishing to have the yearbook for this school year, you can buy one now.
The link for the 24 to 25 yearbook is on the screen now. If you would like to order your yearbook, visit the link on the screen now and order yours today.
In senior news, senior superlatives are now available for voting. Senior superlatives is a chance to acknowledge your fellow classmates for their unique traits that make them them.
From voting topics such as best dressed to class clown, you get to vote which senior fits which selection best.
The voting for this form ends on March 7th, so don't wait. Fill out the form and submit your top picks today.
If you miss your opportunity to get your grad bash ticket, you must see Miss Underwood to get your name on the wait list.
Class of 2025 shirts are available now. To access, you must open the link on the Senior Google Classroom.
On there, you will see that there is a Google form you must fill out in order to receive your free senior shirt. If you do not fill out this mandatory form, then you will not be able to get your shirt.
This is your final reminder about senior shirts. Fill out the form today to get a free Class of 2025 shirt.
Seniors, caps and gowns are set to be delivered on April 10th, last names A through P, and April 11th for last names Q to Z.
If you have not ordered your cap and gown, please order them as soon as possible to be included in the April delivery. The link is shown on the screen for you to order.
The Brevard School Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard County 60 different scholarships. These scholarships give seniors options of certain scholarships that will be able to help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the code on the screen now for more information.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money to start this process. Both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit this website above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 24 to 25 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage, or you can even use the scholarship search engines as well.
In sports news, this past Wednesday, Heritage wrestlers finished second place in the district championship, and Heritage has pulled 12 wrestlers for next week, Regions champion.
Some of these wrestlers even include 7 finalists and 4 champions. Congratulations to the following wrestlers shown on the screen now, and good luck to the wrestlers participating in next week's Region Championship.
Also, in sports news tonight, our JV basketball team goes up against Vieira at 6 p.m.
Tonight also, our softball team takes on Cocoa Beach at 6 p.m. as well.
Next week on Tuesday, our baseball team takes on Holy Trinity at 6 p.m.
At the same time, our softball team goes up against Cocoa on Tuesday also.
Next Wednesday, our baseball team takes on Rockledge at 6 p.m.
Finally, next Thursday, our JV basketball team goes up against Titusville at 6 p.m.
That's all the news for this week. Panthers, thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
We did it!
Let's go!
After struggling! Oh, okay.
Don't
Panthers, thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue! Is that what, Mindy?
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you recorded this?
No, she's not recording it. You better not be.
Chill out.
In like the second take.
Ooh.
Oh,
Alright.
I'm confident in you guys. Whatever.
we got this.
How do I turn this thing off? Oh. Wow! I see how it is.